Learn English to Gujarati, comprehensive to,
વ્યાપક,
and precise to.
ચોક્કસ.
Welcome to the word workshop. Hey, you are about to train your English and Gujarati ear at the same time. Today we learn clever words for reports, arguments, and that one friend who gives speeches longer than a wedding buffet. Picture this. You ask for a simple answer, and someone gives you a
વ્યાપક,
explanation, a
વિગતવાર,
chart, a not so
concise,
summary, and then insists every point is.
ચોક્કસ.
If it is clear, it becomes.
સમજી શકાય તેવું,
If the logic flows, it is.
તાર્કિક,
If it fights with itself, it is.
વિરોધાભાસી,
And if big chunks are missing, it is.
અધૂરું.
Congratulations, you now have vocabulary for meetings, essays, and family arguments. Meet the 8 troublemakers. Let us meet the stars of today's chapter one by one. Imagine them as characters in a very dramatic office sitcom. First enters comprehensive.
વ્યાપક,
This is the coworker whose report covers everything from the main issue to the coffee machine's emotional journey. A
વ્યાપક,
report leaves little out. Then comes detailed.
વિગતવાર,
This one loves specifics. Not just, the meeting was bad, but, the meeting was bad because the projector blinked, the mic squeaked, and Raj forgot slide 3. Very.
વિગતવાર,
Now, concise. In your list, the target form is.
concise,
Use it here as the idea of being brief and compact. A
concise,
answer says a lot with few words. A miracle, really. Precise is.
ચોક્કસ,
Exact. Accurate. If I say the snack is on the table, that is helpful. If I say it is on the left side of the blue table under the newspaper, that is.
ચોક્કસ,
Comprehensible is.
સમજી શકાય તેવું,
If your explanation is easy to understand, it is.
સમજી શકાય તેવું,
If your explanation sounds like a refrigerator trying to file taxes, maybe not. Coherent is.
તાર્કિક,
Ideas connect. The steps make sense. Your brain does not trip over the argument. That is.
તાર્કિક,
Contradictory is.
વિરોધાભાસી,
Example. I never interrupt people, he interrupted. That is beautifully.
વિરોધાભાસી,
Patchy is.
અધૂરું,
Incomplete, uneven, with gaps. Like internet during a storm, or my memory of where I left my keys. Very.
અધૂરું.
A very serious office disaster. Now listen to a short story. It is educational, slightly ridiculous, and tragically realistic. On Monday morning, the manager asked for a report. Mira proudly said, "Do not worry, my report is."
વ્યાપક, વિગતવાર,
And totally.
ચોક્કસ,
Single quote. Ravi said, "Great, mine is."
concise,
Single quote. The manager smiled the smile of a person who still believes in hope. Mira opened her file. It had 27 sections, 3 appendices, and a diagram of office biscuits. It was indeed.
વ્યાપક,
It was also wonderfully.
વિગતવાર,
Maybe too wonderfully. One page explained the psychological meaning of stapler placement. Then Ravi presented. His report was so
concise,
that it had only one sentence. Things happened. Results exist. That was brief, yes. Helpful, no. The manager rubbed his forehead and asked for something.
સમજી શકાય તેવું,
Please, he said, I want a report normal humans can understand. He also wanted the argument to be.
તાર્કિક,
Because page 4 said sales went up, while page 5 said sales did not move. That was a little.
વિરોધાભાસી,
To make matters worse, the data table was.
અધૂરું.
Half the numbers were missing, and one cell just said, "Ask Sunil." Nobody knew where Sunil was. In the end, the manager said, "Let us combine both reports. We need something."
વ્યાપક,
But still.
concise, વિગતવાર,
Where necessary.
ચોક્કસ,
With facts.
સમજી શકાય તેવું,
For readers and fully.
તાર્કિક,
Also, please remove anything.
વિરોધાભાસી,
And fill every.
અધૂરું.
Section. The office stared in silence. Even the stapler felt judged. Quick dialogue drill. Repeat these little exchanges after me if you want. Short bursts are great for memory. Also, they are less dangerous than office reports. A. Is this guide complete? B. Yes, it is.
व्यापक,
A. Does it include many specifics? B. Yes, it is.
विगतवार,
A. Can you make your answer shorter? B. Sure, I will make it more.
कौनसीज,
A. Are these measurements exact? B. Yes, they are.
चौकस,
A. Can a beginner understand this? B. Yes, it is.
समझी शकाय तेवू,
A. Does the argument make sense from start to finish? B. Yes, it is.
तार्किक,
A. Do these two statements agree? B. No, they are.
विरोधाभासी,
A. Is the information complete? B. No, it is.
अधूरू,
Memory tricks with comedy. Now let us glue the words into your memory with a few weird images. The brain loves nonsense almost as much as it loves snacks. 4.
व्यापक,
Imagine a giant umbrella covering an entire city. If it covers everything, it is comprehensive. 4.
विगतवार,
Imagine a map so zoomed in that even the ants have addresses. 4.
कौनसीज,
Imagine a tiny note that somehow says everything and still has room for a smiley face. 4.
चौकस,
Imagine a dart landing exactly in the center while a crowd yells, very.
चौकस,
Exclamation mark single quote. 4.
समझी शकाय तेवू,
Imagine fog clearing from a window until the message becomes easy to read. 4.
तार्किक,
Picture puzzle pieces clicking together in a neat line. 4.
विरोधाभासी,
Imagine a sign that says, go left, and go right, at the same time. 4.
अधूरू,
Imagine a sandwich with one slice of bread, half a tomato, and absolutely no explanation. Mini quiz time. Let us see what stayed in your brain. No pressure. If you get one wrong, just blame the fictional stapler. Question 1. What is the Gujarati word for comprehensive? Answer.
व्यापक,
Question 2. What word means detailed? Answer.
विगतवार,
Question 3. Which word from this lesson is used for concise? Answer.
कौनसीज,
Question 4. What is the Gujarati word for precise? Answer.
चौकस,
Question 5. Which phrase means comprehensible? Answer.
समझी शकाय तेवू,
Question 6. What word means coherent or logical? Answer.
तार्किक,
Question 7. What is contradictory? Answer.
विरोधाभासी,
Question 8. What word means patchy or incomplete? Answer.
अधूरू,
Your challenge today. You are not just listening. You are training. Here is a simple challenge for after this chapter. Describe one thing around you using these words. Maybe a book is.
व्यापक,
Maybe a recipe is.
विगतवार,
Maybe your text message style is proudly.
कौनसीज,
Maybe your map directions are.
चौकस,
Maybe a teacher's explanation is.
समझी शकाय तेवू,
And.
तार्किक,
Or maybe your old notes are.
विरोधाभासी,
And a bit.
अधूरू,
Be honest. Your notebook can handle it. Friendly wrap up. Nice work. You made it through a full set of brainy words without needing emergency tea. That is impressive. Today you practiced.
व्यापक,
For comprehensive.
विगतवार,
For detailed.
कौनसीज,
For concise.
चौकस,
For precise.
समझी शकाय तेवू,
For comprehensible.
तार्किक,
For coherent.
विरोधाभासी,
For contradictory, and.
अधूरू.
For patchy. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing out loud, use the words in tiny sentences, and come back tomorrow so your Gujarati gets stronger, clearer, and much less.
अधूरू.